Welcome to the Crown Metropol here in Melbourne. Let's go on a room tour. First of all, I've just arrived and there is a bucket of water by the room. Bit random. Okay, we come back in. Let's have a little look. It's nice and spacious. Yellow carpet, interesting choice. We've got a cupboard with some hangers and a spot to put one suitcase. As we continue through to the left, we have the bathroom. Here we've got a shower room. Here we've got the toilet. So they're two separate cubicles, which is always nice. They've got towels, tissues, you've got your sink, you've got your mirror, but then you can see through to the bathroom. There's a door that sections off this area. Okay, let's continue through. Oh good, there's also a door that sections off that area as well. But there's still this little like peeky hole area. Is there another? Yeah, so that bit's still see-through. Then you've got the two beds here. This is the double room. Nice bed sheets, nice quilt. We come through, you've got the TV and the desk, rubbish bin, phone, lamp. Let's look at our view. Wow, stunning. So this is level 12. I can see the top of a car park. I can see a bridge, lots of city lights, which is very nice. We'll have to have a look at that during the day as well. So there you go. That's the room. Quite spacious, enough space to leave your bags down on the floor. Comes with a little tablet for, I don't know, for doing something. There you go. Crown Metropol screen. In-room dining, restaurants and bars. There's a light switch next to the bed for controlling the lights. You've got the phone, TV remote, lots of dimmer switches there. Can't see a power point next to the bed though. We've got the mini fridge. So it's a stocked mini fridge. Some snacks, some glasses. In here we've got a safe, kettle, ironing board, and an iron. And then on the other side, we've got some hanging space suitable for hanging some dresses or storing some shoes in the cupboard. In the drawers, you've got, oh, they don't open. Oh, that one does. Just some empty space, dry cleaning form and bag. I think the bottom one's a fake one. The black along the feature wall is quite nice, quite modern. Not sure about the yellow carpet though, that's a little interesting. Downfall is that you can't shut that bathroom off completely, and there seems to be a lack of power points next to the bed. So that seems to be the downfalls so far. Nice big space though here at the desk. That's a bonus. And there seems to be one power point there. Lack of power points perhaps.